Oh, we're still hiring. LinusMediaGroup.com. We've got a couple of positions available right now. I have an interview tomorrow, actually. Speaking of hiring for positions, do you want to hear who it's with?
Yes.
One Madison.
Oh, no way.
You know what? The reality of it is that if you guys thought Madison was super annoying and you think you can do a better job than her, then go ahead and try and apply for this one, because I think this is the third interview now. So she's doing pretty good. And if you want Madison to be our social media coordinator, then
don't apply.
Then don't apply. We're also.
I guess the position is for social media coordinators. So if you want her to get the job, maybe talk about it on social media.
Yeah. Full-time logistics coordinator. We're hiring one of those. Full-time bookkeeper or accountant. We know that is an extremely broad posting, but the reality of it is we want someone good, and whatever that looks like, we want it. We're also looking for a junior account manager. So this is like sales. We're looking for full-time video editor and camera operator. How many people are we hiring right now? Full-time junior design and manufacturing engineer for Creator Warehouse. Retail product and inventory manager for Creator Warehouse. Holy crap. We're going to have like 40 people working here and before I actually blink again. That is nuts.
I don't think you're counting Floatplane, are you? So
freaking nuts.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you guys aren't in office. I'm talking like the people that will actually be under the roof on a daily basis. We're going to need name tags, Luke. We're going to need name tags. Like, how am I supposed to remember all these people? You know me.
Yeah. How are you going to put them all?
Ooh, it's tough.
And like, where do you, like, if you need another place, like if you keep hiring at this rate by the end of next year, then where are you going to put them all? Year after that, then where are you going to put them all? Like, I don't know.
Luke.
Difficult, man.
I've grown uncomfortable with how fast the company is growing, to be perfectly honest with you.
Yeah.
It's really weird for me. Like, I never intended for this. This was not what I wanted. This was not what I wanted.